Hi. So today we're going to be going over the classic dice problem. How many ways can you roll an 8 with 2 dice? So we all know the classic one, right? Like, how many ways can you roll a 3 on one die? What's the probability of rolling a 3 on a die, right? And that's just 1 by 6, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? It's just one of those, and the only one that you can get is 3, right? So it's 1 out of 6. But in this case, we have 2 dice. So the most basic way to think about this is to draw a chart. So on the top side of the chart, we're going to have every possible number the first die could come out with, right? And then on the other side of the chart, we're going to have every possible way the second dice could come out. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the first die, and this is for the second die, and we'll say this is for the first die. Okay. So now we want how many ways can you roll an 8 with 2 dice? So that means that you have to sum up the first and the second die. So let's just list out every possible sum that you can get. There's the 2, the 3, 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7. I'm getting these numbers by adding so for example, we'll just take this number right here, the 2. It's the 1 plus the 1. And so for the 3, it'd be 2 plus the 1. And for the 4, it'd be like the 3 plus the 1, and so on. So let's just continue filling out this chart. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 2 plus 6 equals 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so this is every possible way that the dice could come out as a sum, right? And as you can see, there's 36, or 6 times 6, right? There's 6 choices for the first die, times 6 choices for the second die. But that doesn't matter for now. Right now, we can just see that there are 36, right? So now we want to see how many ways that you can roll an 8. So we'll just go through and find all our 8s. 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 possible ways that we can roll an 8 on this die. Okay, let me just put the 5 down here actually. Yes. 5 possible ways. Now another common type of problem for this is what is the probability of rolling an 8? And so in this case, it's just the number of ways you can roll an 8 divided by the total number of ways or possible outcomes that there are in the sample set, which in this case is just 36. So the answer to that kind of problem would be 5 over 36. And we're done.